Hi everyone, welcome back. The moment you all been waiting for. We are going to spin the wheel to see who won last week's giveaway. Last week's giveaway is sponsored by Kozmik Nails, and you will win this duo, which is simply beautiful. It is that sparkly glitter, which is called Promises Promises, and then that solid vibrant pink is called In Too Deep. And if you missed this mani in action, definitely check it out at the end of this video. Now before we go ahead and spin the wheel, let's get into this week's BBB. It is Don't Worry, Be Happy. It's such a fun like gunmetal glitter. And then how awesome and cute are these smiley faces? They are so much fun, and this week's BBB is definitely one of my favorites as well. Just when you think it can't get any better, it does. Okay, so let's get into the wheel here. I have everybody who entered, their names are on here. So let's just see what happens when we spin the wheel. Good luck, everyone. Congratulations to Regina, you are the winner. How exciting. So I will go ahead and reach out to you so I can get your information to get this duo sent to you. It will be coming directly from Kozmik Nails. Thank you to everyone who entered into the giveaway. Stay tuned. I will be doing more giveaways on my channel soon. All right, well, thank you again, and I hope you have a great evening, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.